Hello, my friend. Welcome to this very long and very calm English sleep story. This story is in A1 English. The words are simple, the sentences are short, and the rhythm is soft. You can listen, you can relax, and you can fall asleep. You do not need to think. You do not need to answer. You only need to listen and rest. It is night. You are in your room. The room is quiet. The room is safe. The air is soft. The window is a little open. You hear the calm wind. You feel the cool air. Your bed is warm. Your pillow is soft. Your blanket is heavy in a good way. Your eyes are heavy. Your body is heavy. Your mind is light. Your breath is slow, in and out, in and out. You are safe, you are calm, you are ready for a long and peaceful dream. Now you imagine a small town near the sea. The town is very quiet. The houses are white. The windows are dark. The doors are closed. The people are sleeping. The cats are sleeping. The dogs are sleeping. The birds are sleeping. Everything is resting. You are the only one walking. Your steps are slow. Your heart is calm. The street is empty. The street is clean. The sky above you is dark blue. The stars are shining. The moon is bright and kind. You look at the stars. You feel peace. You look at the moon. You feel calm. You walk to the sea. The beach is wide. The sand is smooth. The water moves in and out. The waves come and go. The sound is soft. The sound is like your breath. In and out, again and again. You sit down on the sand. You touch the sand with your hand. It feels cool. It feels soft. You look at the sea. The moon makes a silver line on the water. It looks like a road of light. The road is long. The road is calm. You follow it with your eyes. You feel safe. You close your eyes. You listen. You hear the sea. You hear the wind. You hear your breath. All sounds are calm. All sounds are soft. All sounds are safe. Your arms are heavy. Your legs are heavy. Your eyes are heavy. Your mind is slow. Your thoughts are light. Your thoughts go away. You rest. You are calm. You are safe. Now you open your eyes again in your dream. You stand up. You walk on a wooden path. The wood is warm from the day. The path goes to a garden. The garden is green. The grass is soft. The flowers are small. Some flowers are white. Some are yellow. Some are blue. They are closed. They are sleeping. They are calm. They are safe. In the middle of the garden there is a pond. The water is still. The water is like glass. The water is like a mirror. The moon is in the water. The moon is also in the sky. There are two moons. One in the sky and one in the pond. Both are bright. Both are calm. Both are safe. A small fish moves under the water. It makes circles. The circles grow and then they go away. Your thoughts are like the circles. They come and then they go. They do not stay. They are gone. You let them go. You are calm. You are soft. You are safe. You sit by the pond. You touch a stone. The stone is cool. The stone is smooth. You breathe slowly. You count your breath. 1 in, 1 out. 2 in, 2 out. 3 in, 3 out. Your breath is slow. Your body is calm. Your eyes are soft. Your mind is quiet. You feel peace. You feel rest. You feel sleep. Now, you stand up. You walk to a small bridge. The bridge is made of wood. The bridge is strong. The bridge is safe. Under the bridge there is a small stream. The water is clear. The water is silver in the moonlight. The stream makes a soft sound. It is like a song. A soft, safe, and quiet song. You cross the bridge. You feel good. You feel calm. You feel light. On the other side there is a field. The field is wide. The field is open. The grass is tall. The grass moves in the wind. The grass looks like waves on the sea. The stars shine above the field. The moon shines above the field. The sky is big. The sky is calm. The sky is safe. You walk in the field. The grass touches your legs. It feels soft. It feels safe. You smile. You breathe. You rest. There is a stone road in the field. The stones are white. The stones shine in the moonlight. The road is simple. The road is clear. The road goes to a small hill. You follow the road. Your steps are slow. Your breath is calm. Your body is light. Your mind is soft. You go up the hill step by step. You are calm. You are safe. You are light dot at the top of the hill. There are trees. The trees are big. The trees are old. The trees are strong. The leaves move in the wind. They make a soft song. The song is like rain. The song is like a whisper. You sit under a tree. You lie down on the grass. The grass is warm. The grass is soft. The ground holds you. The tree covers you. The sky is above you. The stars are above you. The moon is above you. You are safe. You are calm. You are ready to sleep. You close your eyes. You dream again. You dream of a library. The library is warm. The library is quiet. The shelves are full of books. The books are safe. The books are calm. The air smells like paper and wood. You walk in the library. You breathe. You smile. You rest. You sit in a big chair. The chair is soft. The chair is safe. The chair holds you. You hear a clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock. The sound is slow. The sound is soft. The sound is calm. It helps you rest. It helps you sleep. Your eyes are heavy. Your breath is deep. Your mind is quiet. Your body is safe. The dream changes. You are in a forest. The trees are tall. The trees are strong. The ground is soft. The leaves are many. The air is cool. The air is clean. A small stream moves near you. The water is clear. The water is silver. The water is safe. You throw a leaf in the stream. The leaf moves. The leaf goes around a stone. The leaf goes away. Your thoughts are like the leaf. They move. They go away. They are gone. You are calm. You are safe. The dream changes again. You are in a meadow. The grass is low. The flowers are small. The moon is big. The stars are many. The sky is clear. You lie down. The ground is soft. The air is cool. Your body is heavy. Your head is light. Your eyes are closed. Your breath is deep. You are sleeping. You are safe. You are calm. The dream shows you more places. A cafe with warm light. A bakery with bread smell. A river with round stones. A farm with a slow horse. A kitchen with a quiet kettle. A mountain with snow. A lake with silver water. In all places you are safe. In all places you are calm. In all places you are resting. In all places you are sleeping, the dream shows you more things. A warm blanket, a soft pillow, a kind friend, a good book, a cup of tea, a quiet lamp, a gentle smile. They are all good. They are all safe. They are all calm. They are all soft. You rest. You sleep. You dream. You are safe. You are calm. You are loved. The dream is long. The dream is soft. The dream is kind. Time is not important. Hours are not important. Only breath is important. Only rest is important. Only sleep is important. Your body knows. Your mind knows. Your heart knows you are sleeping. You are safe. You are calm. You are loved. You are fine. The story is long. The story is soft. The story is simple. The story is safe. The story is for you. The story is your friend. The story will stay with you. The story will help you rest. The story will help you sleep. Good night, my friend. Sleep well. Dream sweet. You are safe. You are calm. You are loved. You can sleep now. You can. Dream now. Good night. Good night. Good night.